Hi and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to see how can we add or delete an existing user in an Anypoint Studio. Like if you have a registered user through Anypoint platform, so how can you delete or add a new one in Anypoint Studio? So what you gonna do is just go on Windows, go on Preferences, and here in the preferences you can see Anypoint Studio. Under Anypoint Studio you can see authentication. I see lots of users here, so I'm gonna remove it. So just click on this, or if you want to add a user, so I'm gonna click on remove. It's going to get removed, and I can just go ahead and remove another one and click on this and it's removed. So if I am if I want to add another one, so let's suppose all of them are expired and I want to add a new user, so no, I can just go ahead and type and it will give us a new user. So that was it. So thanks for watching. So this above button is for adding, the lower button is for removing.